Hey guys! Welcome back to 1 million worth of channel, the place where we are on the path to achieve the first 1 million net worth, enjoy the financial freedom, and early retirement. First of all, take care of yourself first rather than putting aside whatever is left over. Save a portion of your monthly salary as soon as you receive it. Always put money aside for emergencies. A healthy financial strategy must include an emergency savings account. Saving enough money to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses is a good rule of thumb. Always reduce your spending and increase your savings. Spending less is a good place to start when it comes to saving. Most people can find ways to save costs, whether it's an expensive hair salon, daily premium coffee, or brand new items at retail pricing. Don't put your money in your pocket, wallet, or bank account when you cut back on spending, since you'll just spend it on something else. Make a debt payment or move the money to a savings account where it will be out of easy reach. Break habit and save some money. If you buy a Danish on your way to work every morning, eat out 5 evenings a week, or engage in other similar behaviors, commit to replace 1 or 2 of those days with a stay-at-home and save routine. Debt repayment is a terrific strategy to free up cash that you can put towards savings or investments. Make a list of your debts and prioritize paying off the ones with the highest interest rates or the smallest sums. Working longer hours may appear to be a hardship, but taking up a part-time work with a deadline and a clear short-term financial objective might be a wise plan. In fact, according to a recent Bankrate poll, the average side hustler earns more than $8,000 each year. If we talk about how to invest on the risk-reward scale, certain investments are relatively safe, while others are riskier. Younger people should invest more aggressively, whereas older people should invest more cautiously. If you're a first-time investor, start with a diversified portfolio of investments, such as a mutual fund or assets you select yourself. The idea should be to diversify without overcomplicating or narrowing your portfolio. Be wary of assets with a high-flying risk-reward profile, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor. There is a direct relationship between reward and risk, so if you are offered the moon, you can bet there will be a lot of danger. Almost all assets have charges that investors should be aware of, whether it's stocks and bonds, mutual funds, broker commissions, or 401k retirement plan management fees. If the costs of your employer-sponsored retirement plan are prohibitively high, you may wish to invest just enough to get your employer's match and make extra investments outside of the plan. For stable investors looking to add to their portfolio, a stock market fall can be a favorable time to buy. Once or twice a year, review your investment strategy, and don't let headlines deter you from allocating your cash. The idea should be for it to be a continuous process, not one that is interrupted or resumed based on current events. Last but not the least, do not ever hesitate to take advice. Some people may be unsure where to begin when it comes to investing. What criteria should you use to determine which stocks to invest in? How can you tell if your investment portfolio is well balanced? Don't be scared to ask a licensed professional for help. Advisory services aren't just for the wealthy. Do your homework to identify a low-cost solution that will assist you to obtain market confidence. That's all for today, guys. We'll be here for you every Sunday, so stay tuned to 1 million worth of channel. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.